Hi, doctor. I am currently having trouble falling asleep. I see. Let's find out what's causing your distress. Okay, that's a start. Tell me more.
This is the future of the many sectors and many fields.
The functionality of virtual clinic, Mentalverse, and Brainverse is basically quite similar.
Somebody he have any mental issues, he doesn't declare it or he doesn't go to the doctor. For our technology here, we are looking for end-to-end solutions.
Sometimes you enter and there's no one in front of you. That means the doctor is just arriving.
Psychologists and healthcare professionals, they can help us.
We've made it compatible with the phone and the laptop or computer as well.
I believe this technology will treat a lot of behavioral issues.
While coming to the treatment part, can you just go through the process? Can you take me through the process, how a patient uses your medical device for the treatment from start to finish? Maybe the Brainverse or the military?
Sure, we can go with the Brainverse if ever.
Okay.
Okay, so for example, the patient journey for Brainverse is basically, so it's focusing on the patient's mental health, basically, the module. And for example, I'm the patient, so I want to create a schedule with my doctor. So I just log in at the website, register there, and there will be a button, an option there for the Brainverse Metaverse option. Once you click that, you will be redirected to the scheduling of your appointment. And once you've scheduled your appointment, as much as possible, we wanted to create the platform seamless, because this is new technology, not just for us, but for multiple audiences as well. And we've always thought about how the end user will feel towards the experience of this module. So simply they will receive a link once they've scheduled, and they will click that link on their scheduled appointment. Once the date arrives, they click the link and they will enter the module right away. They'll be able to choose a character depending on their age. And then once they've chosen a character, they will enter the module. As I showed you earlier through the experience, you will enter the city and then right straight to the virtual clinic. And then you will see, sometimes you enter and there's no one in front of you. That means the doctor is just arriving. He's also entering from his side. Okay. But sometimes the doctor comes first as well. So once the doctor is there, you'll be having an option, since this is the anonymous feature that we want to keep consistent during the experience. So once you enter, automatically your mic will be muted. So if you're still not comfortable, you're trying to see the doctor, you let him speak first, hear his voice, just for the safe space feeling for the patient and comfort during the session. So after that, you can unclick that once you're ready to talk to the doctor. And then from here on out, you will be basically one-on-one consultation with the doctor. And you can talk to him about anything, mental problems, or as Mr. Ali mentioned earlier, about personal problems as well, anything that will help you relieve your stress. And the session is limited to an hour, because this will be free to the public as well. And so as of now, it is limited for 1 hour per consultation. And after consultation, you can go through on your day. And the best part about this is that what we've created here is that it's mainly focused on Oculus, right? But at the same time, we wanted it to be adaptable as well. So we've made it compatible with the phone and the laptop or computer as well. So you can also access it through there and have your consultations there as well.
That was a good experience though. It felt like as if I am already entered the city. And I was talking to my doctor. So Ali, coming back to the technology, the product, what you are providing to the society, from which age actually this product is accessible? Who can access to your products, and what is the age limit?
With regards to this sensitive topic, about children, as per study, there is a lot of children. Let's talk about the one who have disabilities, and the children that they are suffering from autism, for example, and behavioral issues. I believe that the normal children right now in our century, they are using everything, you know, around them, from iPad, from iPhone, from laptop, you know, they are impressed with this technology to use it, to discover it, you know. But unfortunately, the autism children and the disabled children, it is very hard for them, you know, not for them to understand us. It is hard for us to understand them. It is the opposite way, you know. So it is very important, this technology we are developing also for the autism children, to help them, you know, to help their behavior as well, you know, in different way. Maybe these people, they don't, these children, yani, they don't have the ability to speak with a human from the issue that they are having. So maybe this is something interested to them, you know, like avatar thing, like something not real, to go to this world, you know, and to bring it to their real behavior. You get my point?
Yeah.
So it is really important to help this type of children to understand them, to see what they are looking for, you know. And I believe this technology will treat a lot of behavioral issues, you know, for this specific type of children. With regards to the metaverse services and the platform, you know, we spoke earlier about the children's that they have disabilities and they have autism. So actually, with one of the coordination of the rehabilitation centers, you know, we're trying to study the behaviors of the children in this age that they are having issues with disabilities and behavioral issues, you know. They are interacting more with the technologies, with the equipments around them, more than a human. So we believe this technology will help them a lot, you know, for us to understand them, you know. Because always we are seeing these children in different way, you know. We're seeing that this child, he's not understanding us. He doesn't understand the one around them, you know. For me, I see that with very humble evaluation that these people, they are really high smart, especially the autism children's. So they are interacting with the technology, and especially with maybe with this solution will let them to bring it to reality, and it will affect their behavior with multiple sessions, you know, to understand these children, what they are looking for, what they want, to define these issues from very young age, you know. Maybe it will affect something in their behavior later on. So yes, we are trying now to build a special platform for them, you know, to help them to discover their self and the environment around them, you know, and to help this more age from their life.
That is great thinking, and that will be really helpful for them.